let us enjoy remaining lines once again. Now, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how well leads unto way, and doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the ones less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Dear students, in these lines, he's expressing his regret. Now he's regretting, though both are equally lay. We say, and that morning there was no one to trod the path, trod the way, trod the road, or walk. See, both are equally having fresh and very virgin. It was not trodden by anyone, not walked by anyone else. Okay, I kept the first for he kept the first for another day, but he was not sure that he may come back or not. It is because at a time one can travel one road, yet knowing how well leads on to the way, so it may connect other many roads. One is connected to another, another is connected to another, like this. I doubted if I should ever come back, and there was a doubt whether he would come back again on the path or not. So it was not sure. He was not sure that he will walk on the first road which is left, and the second road he is trotting and is walking and going through. Now this again, as I have in the preceding lesson, you have been told that roads are indicated as choices. It is a very symbolic. It is very symbolical. It is very symbolic. The roads are the choices, the alternatives, the different situations, and this dilemma is haunting all over in the mind. He wanted to be actually this decision. He does not want to become a poet, but he just adopted such type of this poetic career, this poet life, poet career, and that's why he's telling, if he had chosen the first one, it would have been far better, something better. This is the regret. So in the preceding lesson, you were told that whatever path, whatever decision you are choosing, in between alternatives, which one you was choosing finally, it's up to you. But in the long run, you realize that it was good or bad, and whatever you have chosen, you can't change, you can't alter, because after that long time, you can't change the whole situation, and the whole gamut is in the very different scenario. So the decision you are making here, decision making is very important. Roads are choices, and you have to make, you have to finalize which one is very correct. And if you are very meticulous and very right in your this judgment, this your decision, you will feel happy. Otherwise, you may regret. Likewise, he is regretting like anything, because one road is connected to another one, and at a time one can walk one can travel one. So I doubted if I should ever come back, ever he could walk. It was not certain. It was just full of doubt. I shall be telling this with sigh, and this all this situation, whatever he has done this mistake, adopted second one, not first one, and hankering that if he had walked, he would have been, if he had walked first road, he would have done something else, and full of happiness, etc. But it was not possible, because at a time one can travel one. So he's telling, I shall be telling with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, after a long time, after long walk of life, the long future, in the future, two roads diverged in the wood, and I took the one less traveled. This is very, actually he was very adventurous. Those who are very adventurous, they are just doing such type of mistake. They think that the way, the path, the career which many have chosen, he should not do like this, one should not like this, and one should adopt a new one, a very fresh one, which is not taught and which is not chosen by someone else. That's why he has done. And he is hankering, remorsing for the first one. He has adopted second one, and this decision, the choice which was not right, he is not remorsing and regretting like anything, and that was made all the differences. And the matter of size, the matter of regret, and the matter of difference, that was the first road which was not taken, because only the second one was travelled by. At a time you can travel one, whatever aim you fix in your life, your goal is fixed in life. If you walk long in your life, and in a very far future you realize that the first decision was correct, first road was correct, I took a wrong decision. So this is matter of remorsing, as Robert Frost remorsing. Again the rhyming is in the same, the lay, A, back, B, because rhyming is differing here, A, B, the day and way, this is A, and again this is differing, so back, the B, the A, B, A, B, these are rhyme scheme, and now again it is in here, and repetition of this, somewhere ages and ages, this here is repetition, and all these lines, all the four stanzas, all these lines are just dominating the metaphor, which roads are very, road and choices, they are very metaphorical, and metaphorically he is telling, there's a metaphor is overwhelming, dominating all around in the poem. This is very interesting, so it will be better if you go through the lines again and again, and get by heart, and discuss the rhyming scheme and the figure, other poetic devices, this repetition, etc. And the imaginary situation is overwhelming. Imaginary is just imagination. They very, very, very picturing. He is just picturing the situation. So it is very imaginary. No imagination. Only images are there. So discuss among your the group the various. The beauty, because poetry you have to enjoy, poem you have to enjoy. The more you enjoy, so far poetry devices concerned, so far rhyming is concerned, you will gain more and more ideas about this, because this is very interesting and very, very inspiring, and very detailed and very exhorting. So be very particular, be very clear, very decisive and right while you are choosing the path of your life. So it is very, very important. It is very, very meticulous. It is to be continued. Thank you all.